It's September 2022. I'm just about to do the first level testing of my wonderful Seagate ST-4096 drive. This is a 80 megabyte nominal drive, but with Kremenko formatting, I think pretty sure we get it past 90 megabytes. This is the power on test. I'm going to follow it with the DG rig test, and the second video will be the full Kremenko test once I've established the drive is basically working. I'll attach it to the Kremenko. Here we go, powering on in 3, 2, 1. Sounds very good to me. I'm going to power it off now. 3, 2, 1, 0. Sounds excellent. Okay, I'll just do the DG rig test, then it's on to the Kremenko.